I've just come in from the market and I bought some really beautiful ingredients to make our crunchy tuna salad toast with pepperoncini. Let's make it together. Let's start off with a little prep by slicing our radishes and our celery. Now let's juice our lemon. We'll throw our tuna into a bowl. Now let's add our mayo, our pepperoncini, and our celery. Let's combine all those great flavors. We're gonna slice up our bread, put a dash of oil into the pan. Give that delicious bread a light saute. Oops, I forgot my chives. No worries, I'll go out to my garden and cut some. Now we're ready to build our sandwich, placing our tuna salad on our toast. Sandwiches can be pretty too. Let's add our radishes. Now a little salt and some pepper. Sprinkle with our fresh chives and add our greens on top. And there you have it. Beautiful bread, beautiful ingredients. Check out our crunchy tuna salad toast at Casa de Suna.